Hello, and welcome to another unboxing at the Hit Lab New Zealand. Today we're going to be showing a really interesting thing, which is the Emotiv EPOC. I think it's called the Emotiv EEG headset. So, and as always, we got two. And so this is a headset. That's a commercial grade headset, not a clinical grade headset. And you can kind of see. Ooh, you can see these are the EEG pads get put in, and this you wear on your head. I'm not going to put it on because I'm not yet, but it goes on something like this. It sits on your head. And it's got some solution that allows us to make sure we have good contact with the head. A dongle, because it's wireless. And then this probably is the pads that go, I would think the pads that go in here. So it's the EPOC Plus. I guess we do something like this. Ooh, a little desiccant, keep it dry. But each one of these goes into these sockets, and then against your noggin, your brain, your head, to collect the signals, and then do some interesting things with it. We don't know what yet, but I'm very interested to give this a try. So again, this is the EPOC Plus from Emotiv, so you can get maybe a good look at it. There's this must be like the wireless thing. There's a way to plug it in, a power button, charge it up, and yeah, so this is very exciting. So I guess we'll see what happens with controlling the computer with your brain. Come join us.